In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for best project management. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials of setting up and managing projects effectively on Monday.com. Let's begin by heading over to Monday.com. Once there, you want to look for the login button, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you're using Google for your login credentials, simply select the Google button and choose the appropriate account from the list. This allows you to quickly and securely access your workspace without the hassle of remembering another password. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a range of options, but for our purpose today, click on the one labeled More. This will reveal additional features housed within Monday.com, broadening your project management opportunities. Here's where you want to navigate to the Template Center. Within this hub, you'll find a range of pre-made templates designed to make your project setup a breeze, categorized for easy access. For this session, we'll focus on the project management templates. Click on this category to explore the variety of templates available. However, if you prefer to personalize your setup and tailor everything to your specific needs, you also have the option to start from scratch. Let's go with this choice for a more custom approach. Just click on Start from Scratch, and when prompted again, click on it once more. This will create a blank slate for your project workboard. Now, it's time to build it up by selecting Use Template. Once this is done, you have a blank canvas ready for you to adapt. A helpful tip here: start by renaming each of your group names. Consider how your project progresses and rename the groups to represent the various stages thoughtfully. This helps in keeping the flow organized and ensures clarity across team members involved. Now comes adding columns to each stage. Think about what information is most critical for you and your team to manage projects seamlessly. To extend the functionality, make use of the drop-down feature per tab. This nifty tool allows you to add or view sub-items, effectively layering your tasks and making complex projects manageable. And there you have it, a foundational setup of your Monday.com workspace, ready for you to tweak and fill in according to your project needs. This setup offers flexibility and clarity, key ingredients to successful project management. We hope this step-by-step guide has empowered you to harness the full potential of Monday.com. Thank you for joining us, and happy project managing.